Hello, hello, it's Miss Quisler. On today's episode of Art with Miss Quisler, I want to show you how I made this pop-up card. Let's do this. To begin my card, I've got a couple pieces of construction paper and this painted paper that I made in another lesson. If you want to learn more about it, look for bubble painting on my YouTube channel. I'm going to start by folding this purple paper in half, and then I'm going to cut it to the correct size. Okay, this is a good size for a card. And my painted paper is going to become the inside of the card, so I'm going to fold it in half as well. It's a little bit smaller than my purple paper. Now I'm going to cut the little tab that is going to make my pop-up. So I'm going to cut two little slits like this on the side that has the fold. And I'm going to give this a crease. And then I can open it up and pop that out into this little shape that kind of looks like a chair. Next, I'm going to glue this paper on the inside of my card. So glue goes here, but not in the middle by my pop-up. Okay, now I'm ready to attach something that's going to pop up, and I'm deciding to make a heart, but you could make something like a birthday cake or a cupcake depending on the occasion for your card. So I'm going to glue this to the front of this little pop-up tab like this. And I'm also going to put a piece of painted paper on the front of my card. There it is, a pop-up card. So it's ready for a message on the front. You could also open it up and put a message on your pop-up or just on the inside and sign your name. I think I'll turn mine into a Mother's Day card. I can't wait to see the art that you're making at home, friends. Please remember to share it with me. Happy arting, everyone.